Hello, my name's Ree Richards and I'm playing Agrafena Bolshov in It's a Family Affair, We'll Settle It Ourselves. We're in week 4 of the rehearsal process, so the screws are starting to tighten a bit this week. Nobody's sleeping and everyone is kind of getting into performance mode, which means adrenaline is starting to kick in now. It's a massive show. But we are putting it together this week and things are looking really good. So everyone's kind of happy and kind of panicky, and the lack of sleep doesn't help. But we will pull through because we are troopers. Thank you very much. Good night.